Hey y'all, welcome to the Steep. So in today's episode, we're going to take a look at S3scanner and AWS. So first things first, go ahead and run apt install S3scanner and get that squared away for yourselves. I'm going to go ahead and slide this out of the way, hopefully. And once you're ready and you have that functional, we're going to run S3scanner -bucket flaws.cloud. And flaws.cloud is actually a site that was set up by a security researcher, so you can actually legally and ethically test any type of cloud scanning software and pen test utilities. So it's fantastic. So go ahead and hit enter. This will do its thing. It will take a moment. And what this output is telling us is basically that it does indeed exist, that particular bucket, and that we've got the designation of US West 2. So now if we want to enumerate a little bit further, we can do that by simply hitting enumerate here and giving it a second. And you can see that it's going to say it's got 7 objects. Now, this is not a download utility, and what I mean by that is it's only intended to check permissions and look for existing capabilities. So does the bucket exist? Is it accessible? Those types of things. So if you actually want to download anything, you're going to have to use AWS. So you can go ahead and app install that really quickly. And you're going to want to put the output here in a flaws extracted directory structure. So you can do that for yourselves. And when you're ready, just run AWS S3 against the flaws.cloud and pipe that output into your local directory. And then we want to pipe that with a no sign request. And what that's going to do is go ahead and take a moment to run. And then that's going to download everything into that flaws extracted directory that we just set up. Now, you may be wondering why it hasn't executed anything there. That's because I've actually already gone ahead and downloaded this once before. So when we go into flaws extracted, you're going to see we have several files here. And if we take a quick look at those, you can see that they tell us, hey, here's your contents of the file and whatnot. So that's pretty spectacular from a standpoint of giving us that capability. And if we wanted to, we could go right into that flaws extracted directory and take a look at the output. And we'll just make this a little pretty here. So, and then obviously, if we had something that was a little bit more intuitive, like cat secret, we could take a look at that and see that, hey, there's the secret for going up to level 2. So anyhow, that takes care of it for S3 and AWS. So please add them to your utility list and try them out. And happy testing. We'll see you next time on the Steep. Take it easy, y'all.